you think it's the best corndogs in Singapore?
Bet. Hi everyone, my name is Daniel.
And I'm Brendan.
And we are from
Girthy Corndog.
So today we're going to show you one of our signature flavors, that is a chocolate corndog, which is also available at GastroBeats. Girthy is honestly it's a playful concept. It's heavily inspired by the street food that I grew up loving. Our approach to Girthy is making a difference in our batter. So rice flour actually gives a more chewy interior. Instead of being fully bready, we have our exterior being crispy and our interior being pillow soft chewy. I've not always wanted to be in F&B, but I've always been driven by the idea of starting something of my own. At some point, I asked myself what I could build, ties back to my Korean heritage, and corndogs just came to mind. I actually had this chocolate corndog in Korea. It's not something that you can find everywhere. So I wanted to recreate that experience, but also make it easy to enjoy.
We realized that there are not a lot of sweet options for corndogs out there. We are choosing to make a chocolate filling because not only is it unique, we also want to offer our consumers a dessert option for corndogs. We'll then chill this in the fridge and we'll show you the finished product later.
What, episode 2?
I said later, I didn't say next
Sorry,
episode.
what later? Episode 2? For Girthy, we want to reimagine familiar flavors in a corndog format. We soft launched that box earlier this year. That is the first time we actually sell to people. The goal here is to work towards building a storefront and hopefully being part of Singapore's local snack scene. So we are looking to improve on operating at scale, obviously handling higher volumes. I believe that there will be many valuable takeaways from this program to help us, work towards building a storefront. I think the most rewarding part would be seeing everything come together, especially when you see people enjoy your food. That is what matters the most to us. So after deep frying, this is how it looks like. This is our Girthy corndog. It's optional, but you can actually coat it with a layer of sugar. If GastroBeats had a flavor, I would think it's the banana paste filling corndog, which is inspired by our local goreng pisang. What you get is obviously the familiar nostalgic flavor of the banana. GastroBeats is all about energy, creativity.
But it's also, I think it's a good mix of flavors, which GastroBeats obviously, because there are multiple vendors and everything. So I think quite apt description, goreng pisang.
It has to be K-pop because of its vibrancy, excitement and playfulness that the music brings to people, which is something that we want to bring to people as well through food. Cheers!
Cheers! It's damn nice.
Yeah, it is.
And chewy also,
And crispy.
Come find us at GastroBeats this June and try our corndogs.
You won't regret it.